Hey guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. Hey, we're back on the road here for a few weeks. We're headed up to Iowa. So come along with us. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for I know I have to lay in the bed I made. I know I let you down, and that was a big mistake. Just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend that you're mine for the last time. Is that alright? Just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend. All I need is you, you, yeah, yeah, you. All I need is you, you, yeah, yeah, you. All I need is you. I know I have to pay for the mistakes I made, but I hope you know that I regret every single thing I did. Oh, just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend that you're mine for the last time. Is that alright now? Just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend. All I need is you, you, yeah, yeah, you. All I need is you, you, yeah, yeah, you. All I need is you.
Okay guys, what would you think of that drive? Beautiful. It was my first time being through Monument Valley, and then just the southeast corner of Utah. It's
My
beautiful.
first time, I've been to Monument Valley, but I've never been through Utah before, so it's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. And look where we're at. Right? We're rest area. Yeah, we're staying in Bear. We're gonna sleep in Bear for this trip back. We left the Prowler at the RV park, but here's a rest area right here. Beautiful. See some people hiking up there, taking pictures. So
Beautiful, weather's wonderful.
yeah, and we're just like 10 miles south of Moab. Getting dark. We got a late start, so we're gonna call it a night. Eat some food, get some rest, and be up at the crack of dawn. So.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life, so my glass was half empty. But you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out.
Okay, guys, we just did an 11-hour driving day. So now we're just a little bit east or west of North Platte at a rest area again. There's a bear over there. Nice rest area. Definitely not as beautiful as that one yesterday. Got some trails, paths talking about the foliage, I guess, or the plants. But what'd you think of that drive through Colorado, the Rockies? Huh?
That was beautiful. That was just fantastic.
That was Lisa's first time. What?
Yes. Yeah, and going through the tunnel and everything, that was, but the Rockies are just gorgeous. You just, one thing was more beautiful than the other. You know, every time you turned a corner, something beautiful popped up.
Over the years, I've been through there several times, and I told her how spectacular it was, but even I forgot how beautiful it is. So anyway, we are going to be headed to Des Moines tomorrow. Whoa.
Yes, another night in the car.
Yep. It was kind of fun.
Well, as long as the bathroom was close by.
Yeah. Okay, we thought we show you this along these paths behind the rest area building. I don't know if you've all heard of the Old Platte River Road. Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
Old Platte River Road, which the I-80 is loosely based off of, followed. They did it. What year did they do it?
1841, I believe.
Yeah, and then the Pony Express used it also. But apparently, here's some wagon wheels, and they have the original tracks. Let's go take a look.
Some of the ruts are still there.
Some of these rest areas really do it up. We've seen around the country. I can't hardly believe it's a real tracks, though.
Yeah, you can.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't think somebody would have rained and they'd have filled in, or?
No, they've probably been carved down by hundreds of wagons and into the stone and stuff.
Well,
so
we'll
yeah,
see.
some filled in, but not all of it.
Well, okay, I see. Yeah, so it's just after.
You really can't see because the grass.
Well,
you can see kind of indentations.
Yeah, you can see that, after years of wagons going across it. I was picturing like some dirt with that was mud, and you know, I wasn't really picturing the grass.
Oh yeah, because pictures show, there's pictures that show tracks without grass. They show just the dirt.
Yeah, here we go up here too.
Let's see.
Okay. What's this telling us?
So that again, they're showing that these were the tracks that were made by thousands of hooves, shoes, and wheels over the overland trail, which, and then of course it varied depending upon the soil condition and the weather and the availability of grass for the animals to eat. They spend 4 to 6 months traveling from here, the Missouri River, to Oregon or California. And it takes they do 15 to 20 miles a day.
Yeah, right, okay.
And Indian attacks, of course, were always dangerous.
Yeah. Okay, so now we'll catch you in Des Moines tomorrow. Okay, you guys, we are here. We are in West Des Moines, and yeah, just look around. I mean, back with family for me, and Lisa of course Lisa loves them too. But we're coming back here to get rejuvenated after the 9 months in the RV park. But yeah, that was kind of interesting at that North Platte rest area with the wagon wheel tracks.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I was picturing tracks in the mud, but no. Once the grass goes over it, you can just tell that wagons went over it, you know, for years. But anyway,
it was a real pretty drive. I mean, both nights it was just very pretty.
And
saw some beautiful country that I hadn't seen.
And even finishing up Nebraska and Iowa with the green and the rolling hills in Iowa. Beautiful drive. We're glad to be here. We're going to be here for a few weeks and filming. We've got some places to film. Yeah, getting rejuvenated here, but we thought we better show you, you know, what our sleeping arrangements in Bear the past couple nights. So let's show them. Come with me. Come with me. Yeah, we already put that up front to show you guys. But this was the back end of Bear is full. I'm gonna.
It's kind of empty now.
I don't know if you can see that through there, but there's a couple projects for my son David. There's an antique 3-wheel lawnmower and a mini bike from like 1972 that we rode as kids. He's going to refurbish those that I'm bringing to him. But okay, so. And I asked Lisa if she wanted to sleep in the back too, but she said no. You're driving most of the time.
Driver gets wherever he wants to sleep first pick.
And you know, but you know what? I don't know that this was much more comfortable than it probably was. But as narrow as this is, I could only sleep on one side or the other, with my legs going underneath where she was sleeping. You know, I didn't want to bother her, bump her seat, wake her up. So you know, to change sides. But yeah, my pillow was right here. She was sleeping in the passenger seat. So the first night wasn't so hot.
Yeah, that wasn't as comfortable.
Second night we were kind of getting used to it and kind of knew how we needed to move and lay.
Either that or we were so tired we probably just slept.
Maybe that's, yeah. Yeah, but we had the windows cracked and so you could hear some traffic noise, but nice cool breeze. But anyway, so let's go back out here. Okay, so what are you looking forward to the next few weeks? I know I surprised you with that question, but
Really nothing. I guess I'm just kind of looking forward to taking it easy and see your family, and
Yeah.
you know, maybe do some. We'll definitely do some sightseeing around here, things that I haven't seen. So
absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely, things you guys probably haven't seen. So anyway, we're going to wrap this one up. So hopefully we should be kicking out a video every
couple weeks.
couple of weeks, maybe earlier, but don't count on that. So love you guys. Please hit that notification bell. Share this with like-minded people, and we'll see you
On our next adventure.
in a few or several days. Bye.
Bye.